Next we are going to see how to select values from a table. Here we have created a table and inserted record into the table. Okay, we can see the rows or the record present in the table using select statement. Select, if you provide star, all the columns will be selected from, okay, what table? Okay, the name of the table is product. Here we have a table called product. Okay, so product. Okay, these are the product data we have in the table. Okay, so using select statement we can get the value from the table. Select star from table name. Okay, if I need only product name and price, I can use the product name and price from product. Okay, so we got only those fields. Okay, so if you want to do any computation on the field, we can do that as well. Like product, I want to see 10% discounted price of the product, so we can use price into, sorry, the statement got executed again. Okay, so we got 2 times price here, so I want to do some computation. Price into 10 divided by 100, price minus price 10% of the discount, right? Let's see. So the 10% discounted price is, this is the actual price and this is 10% discounted price. Okay, like this we can do whatever the computation we want on data we have in our table. Okay, if you want to provide a alias name for this particular column, what I'm saying is that now we are getting this particular heading, right? So instead of that I want a label like as, sorry, the statement got executed, so we got an error. Okay, by mistake I pressed enter key. As, after as we have to provide some name here, like 10%. Now we are seeing 10% as the heading for this particular column. While selecting, we are getting all the rows or records from the table. Or if you want only specific records, we can use where condition. For the time being I am just removing this particular 10%. Now we have only product name and price. Okay, I want to filter only product price greater than 20,000. In that case we can use a where condition in the query. Okay, where, what condition we want? I am providing price greater than 20,000. Okay, so only product with price greater than 20,000 will be listed here. Okay, so we can use where condition to filter the records when doing select operation. I hope you got some idea about how to do the select operation on table.